I would be in the middle of a tornado warning. I'm in Springfield right now. I'm taking perk cards down here to Springfield. Shit's about to go down. Is this funny? I mean, it's not. But let me get these perk cards up there before I go down. You see how dark it got? And I love tornadoes. I just hope I don't be in the middle of one. Right here in Springfield, this is a tornado warning. That shit is low. I watch tornadoes all the time. That is low, boy. I hope I ain't gonna be in the middle of it. I'm gonna still keep pushing, but that shit is low. That is low. Ooh. And the lights went out. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, those are wind wheels. Oh, shit. They say get your ass out the shit. Oh, well. All I can do is just hope and pray. I don't know what shelter to go to. And that's all you can really do. It's a nasty ass storm. So Illinois is very high on the list for tornadoes and stuff like that. Very high, especially when you're in central Illinois. And Springfield is central Illinois. So I can't say I didn't know if a tornado was coming. And you hear the tornado sirens going off. This is not the best place for me to be. But it's better out there. It's better than out there on the streets. Because the winds. And all this because I wanted to drive down to Springfield to get the perk cards and other licenses in for my clients. I just hope that after this passes, if it passes, one, nobody's hurt, and I'm able to get my stuff into Springfield. So at least the trip is kind of worthwhile, you know? I'm just glad I wasn't out on the expressway when this was coming in. Because typically your tornadoes, you know, out in an open field, and then they come inward. But that's not the case with this. I don't know if it touched down or anything like that, but it got pretty low, and they ain't even paying attention. This almost was a traffic crash in the middle of the, because the lights are out. See, the traffic lights are out. I'm just hoping it doesn't, because I don't know any shelter or tornado shelter around here. So don't think you won't see me bust this glass open to go inside there for tornadoes coming through. I am not going to stand out here and get sucked into nothing. I'm sure it's a shelter in here. I know the employees are in their shelter. But please don't think I won't bust that and go into the bathroom. I would imagine the phone towers may be out. I still got signal though. This is Tornado Alley. We are in Tornado Alley. Nasty little thunderstorm. I'm sure they used to it around here. But I saw them clouds earlier, like that was real low, like low. Like low. I'm in Springfield right now. The tornado came. I don't know if a tornado touched down, but I know it came through. I don't know if it, I know it came through. You see like trees in the street. You don't see this stuff in Chicago. I mean, you kind of do, but you don't. I don't know if it's like an accident up here. Just want to make sure. Oh, yeah. Watch where you're driving. I know the lights are out. Power's out, trees are down, tree limbs are down, people's cars are damaged. Yeah, see some tree down on the other street right there. Fire department's responding. See that tree? It was nasty. It came through. I don't know if it touched down, but I know, see, tree over here. Nasty. I don't know if it touched down, but the fire department right there. Yeah, they all over. It was nasty. Really nasty. I seen it when the doggone clouds was coming down. I'm like, oh, it's going down for real. And I love the movie Twister. I've never been in one. Illinois is definitely known for tornadoes. Most definitely known for tornadoes. So that is not an uncommon thing. You hear somebody out here in the middle of the road picking up tree branches, trying to clear the way. Thank you, sir. Good old American. Appreciate you. Yeah. Appreciate you. Some of the lights are still on. It was a little nasty tornado. It's just raining right now. The worst parts of whatever it was passed through already. Yeah, there's a lot of trees that grew or that have grown around here that I seen. I was at the currency exchange. Just want to make sure my tire don't get punctured. And I hope nobody got hurt. Be careful at the intersections because on top, no traffic crash. Clear right, clear left, clear right again, push. And I gotta get on the E-way. But I don't know what it is on the E-way. I know it's wet. It's gonna be raining. Obviously. I don't even know if the people out the state bet, but I gotta get this stuff in there. I didn't make this trip for nothing, so all I can do is hope that they're still there. Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to get to the side. I mean, I know that street should be good. That street should be good because there's not a lot of trees around. Well, I guess we'll see. Green light, clear left, clear right. Turn off this air. Turn off the defroster. Heat. Need to eat now. Caught in the middle of a storm. Somebody have to ask me, did you go out and turn in the perk cards? Yeah, you see I did. Even got a blog about it. Yeah, whatever the clouds were before, it's gone. It was low. It was low. Oh, the state building's still the lights on, so that's good. So at least I'll be able to accomplish my objective coming all the way down here. But I hope that nobody got hurt. Clouds are still low, but it's not like low like how it could be, like how it, like you city folks are not used to seeing this kind of thing. I understand, but we see it all the time. We're in central Illinois, and it's something new for you city folk, ain't it? Yep, something new for us. Well, I'm glad you had a chance to experience it. Nobody got hurt, but by God, some of the things you take for granted where you live. How am I gonna get across the street to this? Oh, who's walking through this? I will. Not gonna drive in it? You know what? This ain't no visitors. Today, I'm breaking the law. It'll be all right. I'm going up in here. And I'm gonna park right here. That storm came through and did some work. Shit. Going to my favorite store, Shields, to get some things. Hopefully not mess up my tires in the process. Pretty nasty. I still gotta get on the E-way too. Now, don't get me, this is one of my favorite breezes after the rain. Like, I love the fall season. I love the after the rain. This is not how I wanted to experience it, though. Not how I wanted to experience it. Not exactly what I had in mind. Prayers for Springfield. And I heard in Chatham, which is a place around this area. I don't know if that's a neighborhood. I don't even know. I heard it's worse. I heard the tornado actually touched down in Chatham. I heard it actually touched down there. So, yeah. Illinois is definitely good for its tornadoes. And we're approaching the intersection of South Grand and MacArthur Boulevard. Well, I'm on my way to Shields. Look, clear right, clear left, push. Yeah, that was something. So I'm done. I'm just now leaving Springfield. I'm not leaving entirely. Lights are out still, some places. Like, could you imagine See, that's one thing that we I won't say city folk, but city folk have, that we take for granted. We are always, for the most part, we got the lights on for the most part. We experience weather, but we don't experience a lot of tornadoes, a lot of things. We don't experience that stuff. And just imagine living in like central, that fell. Just imagine living in central Illinois or in other places where like they get tornadoes all the time. All the time they get them. And we take that for granted living up north, I would say we do take that for granted. I don't, but maybe I do. Maybe I do. Gas station. So it's a good thing I got gas already. Because I was almost clocking out. Then I pulled over, got gas. Things happen sometimes the way they're supposed to. I wouldn't say they're tornado-wise, but, And they got generators going. A couple of them. You want to talk about resilience. I think that when you look at the resilience of the people of Springfield and the people who live in these towns that are used to this stuff, that's something to see. Something to really see. Community. I love it. You help them, they help you. Brothers in the same struggle. If I ever get out of Chicago, which I imagine I will sometime soon.